chief guest of today's program, Lavanam Ambala garu, national head, IPRO, and the real hero behind all this process, Vasudev Rao garu. The most respected special invitee, Professor Krishna Mohan garu, Registrar of Andhra University. Madam Anusha Kumar from IPRO. And our beloved chairman, Sriyan Sheshareddy garu. And principals of all degree colleges. Faculty members and student friends. Very good evening. These two are the very important persons for the getting jobs today. The faculty members of CIP team, campus recruitment team, and principals of our campus. They have played a vital role in getting the placement. You should applaud those two people, faculty members and principals. Let me take only a few minutes, 2 or 3 minutes. We have a wonderful history in the, particularly in the placements, because our beloved chairman personally involves in the placement activity. You might have known about this fact. Don't bother about the rest of the things. Whenever he conducts organized meeting with the principals, directors, even in teleconference, sir is particular about the placements. The principal's primary duty is to motivate the students and train the students and to get the success in the placements. That is the motto of our chairman. That is why Aditya became the synonym for the placements. That is the story behind this synonym for placements. The thing is, we have started campus recruitment training program in the degree colleges 1 decade ago. Before that also, we could get the number of companies to the college and conduct the campus interviews. Very less number of placements we could get. Then our honorable chairman has conducted a meeting with all to provide campus recruitment training in the particular arithmetic, reasoning and English only for the bright students, only for the selected students, only for the interested students. That's what we have given them answer on that day. But he is not included in that proposal. He told me, please listen to me for this decision. Let us start this new program. Let us campus recruitment training, the arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills, along with the university curriculum for all students in the degree colleges. Then we have started seeding this CRP program in degree curriculum. Now we are enjoying the fruits of that particular program. Otherwise, no degree college will start this kind of CRP program. They will focus in only final year. They will focus in only 30 days or 40 days program. But he is very, very particular about arithmetic, reasoning, English, CRP program. That's what we have started 1 decade ago. For he has laid the seeds on the day. Now we are enjoying 578 fruits of the program. That is the success. You might have listened one famous quotation. Winners don't do different things. They do things in a different way. This is a famous quotation by Shivakera in the book You Can Win. That is what he has proved in degree colleges. That is why today more than 5,000 placements we could achieve in this academic year. 5,000 placements in degree college is not a simple thing. Out of this, more than 2,000 placements, 2,500 placements, only CMM level 5 company placements. Many of the countries have visited our college and they were selected. One more secret point I would like to mention you clearly. The Wipro, fortunately, they have given time to give proper training for the students. They have conducted online examination for the Adityans, around 2,500 students, and out of 2,500, 1,260 students from these 5 districts got shortlisted for the final round. This is wonderful part. So out of these 1,260, even our faculty members and principals their Pongal vacation. During the Pongal vacation also, we have given the training, for which you should and one more thing I would like to mention you very clearly. Only and whatnot in everything within the Pongal. These are factors for what we are enjoying with 578 placements today. We should remember everything. The success story, what we are enjoying today, with overwhelming response of the students with 578, this is all India record. Now we stood in the end India from one institution having more than 500 placements, a single CMM company, it's a wonderful and #1 record. Previously, from our Aditya group, 440 students got selected for the Wipro. That was the South India #1 record. Now we have crossed our milestone to All India #1 position. It will take a lot of time if you keep on telling all these facts. Personalities over there to discuss everything. So this is only one part of our degree college success. And academic program, we are maintaining the common academic program for all 20 degree colleges. We are exchanging the paper evaluation. We are giving the papers from the head office, and we are maintaining a separate university, separate system to create very good degree particularly in the coastal Andhra Pradesh. And if you take ISET or if you take post-graduation set examination, PG entrance examinations, we are getting more significant rank. That is because of our planning. If you go to any university, state university or central university, many number of students, 30%. And hard work of the faculty members. And cooperation of the faculty members and parents and your efforts. The entire credit goes to finally all of you. People you got selected for Wipro. Give yourself a big applause. Only one thing I would like to tell you, and I will finish. There is a famous quotation, famous formula given by KVS Murali Krishna Garu. Recently has come to your campus, all campus. Chairman sir personally requested Professor KVS Murali Krishna Garu. He is a professor of JNTU Kakinada. He came all the way from Srikakulam to Eluru to motivate and to give the tips to get success in the interviews. He has given one quotation, one formula, L is equal to L. Life is equal to not love. Life is equal to learning. If you continuously learn something at any stage, you will be a successful person. So don't relax yourself that you got the job in the Wipro. You should pursue your post-graduation MTech Computer Science which is sponsoring by the Wipro. That is a wonderful opportunity, great opportunity. Within 4 years of your time, you are going to get the MTech Computer Science from prestigious BITS Pilali. That is number one. And you are going to get very good salary package within 4 years. And you are going to get live experience in the CMM level 5 company. And also I spoke to Sri Lavangaru this morning. They are going to deploy all of you at the earliest after completion of your examination. You need not wait for 2 or 3 months to report to the Wipro. They are going to give the deployment and they are going to give everything within 30 or 40 days. Immediately after completion of your examinations, you need not wait for the results also. You can go and join in the Wipro. That is what this morning Sir has given. Before going to get the graduation certificates in your hands, you are going to join Wipro. That is just because of Aditya. You should remember always, Aditya, that you are going to get the Wipro before getting the university degree. So I don't want much of your time. There is a famous quotation, one thing, Aditya is a trendsetter, others just follows. Now we have created a new trend by getting 578 placements. So I appreciate all our team, placement coordinators, principals, students, parents and everything.